That should not be happening. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm having some issues with my Inspire 2. As you can see, on the propellers that are labeled with the red arrows, there seems to be like a grinding noise. You guys can obviously hear that. See, it's the red ones, the red labeled ones. These are the white ones. There seems to be a little play in the propeller. This should really not be happening. This drone is well over $10,000. DJI, I love you guys, but come on. I mean, I'm clearly a DJI fan. I mean, I spent over 10,000 bucks on this thing. I got my Phantom inside here. I got batteries out the wazoo. There's clearly an engineering flaw that DJI has not figured out yet. When I first noticed the issue, I immediately got in touch with DJI. They knew there was a problem, so they sent me propellers. And I noticed what they did with the propellers. All they did is put a little damper in there. They put a little sponge just to fill the gap in there to take the play away. And it does work. But what I've been noticing, I'm not the only person that's having this issue. In these other videos online, what other people have been doing, they've been stuffing, it's kind of hilarious. They've been stuffing things like toilet paper, epoxy, putty, everything. But what I've done, which I think could help you guys if you're having this problem, instead of going through the hassle of contacting DJI through their online support, which can be kind of a pain in the butt sometimes. But the reason I'm making the video today is because I wanted to show you my fix. It's gonna be similar to what DJI is doing to avoid the whole process of contacting DJI, waiting a week or two to get the actual part. We're gonna do this real quick. All right, so what you're gonna need, flat surface, a table. What I use, I'm just using a cutting board, just so I don't scratch my wife's coffee table, because she will kill me. And what I'm using, do you guys remember the boxes that your batteries came in? They're lined with foam, and it's the same foam that it looks like that's inside here. So what I did, kind of got the same dimensions, I eyeballed it a little bit, like so, cut it out, and I stuffed it. Here's the one DJI sent me, and this is what I did. It virtually looks the same, and it works. Again, to save you the hassle from contacting DJI, you can just do this yourself. And I haven't done it with all my blades yet, so I thought, why not just show you guys how to do it and make a video about it. I'm here to help you guys out. Cool, so now that's all done, I want to show you that it actually worked. Just to show you, this is one of mine. See, just push it down, lock it. You can see there's no play anymore. See this? Done. That was a super easy fix. You guys can do it, trust me. If I can do it, you guys can do it. So is the Inspire 2 indeed a paperweight? No, I don't think it's a paperweight at all. Do I recommend the Inspire 2? Yeah, of course. I think it's a great drone. DJI, I love your products. I'm a huge fan of your products. I think you guys are dominating the drone industry right now. If you found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, please give it a thumbs up. If you had a chance to browse any of the content that I've been creating on this channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.